came to Anoka Tech because a family member of mine actually was a welder for the railroad, and I just wanted to be just like him and just go on this path as well. Student services helped me a lot with figuring out how to set up my classes with my financial aid. I think I called them like every other day trying to figure that out, but they were very helpful. What I would consider for other women joining the trades is that it's an amazing path to go on. You gotta be a little bit stern sometimes, you gotta hold your ground, but overall the experience is just, it's amazing, especially compared to other schools in Anoka Tech. Their success rates, their financial aid opportunities, their scholarships, everything, and then just the overall surroundings of everyone here. Everyone's so nice and open and very helpful as well. I want to be able to go all the way in this program to the pipe fitters class and possibly become a boilermaker, or I might do what my family member did and go join the railroad.